I woke up earlier than usual today para sana magpa-araw tapos biglang maulan naman pagkagising ko. Here's me taking Sideral, tama ba yung pronunciation? For the first time to help me with my mild anemia. Hopefully ma-resolve to before ako manganak kasi if not, baka raw salinan ako ng dugo. Please pray for me! For breakfast, I had my overnight oats. Namiss ko to. Super productive day to for me kasi nakapag-pack na ako ng clothes ko for our hospital bag kahit may kulang pa kasi di pa dumadating yung order ko. Tapos, nakagawa na rin ako ng affirmation cards na gagamitin ko during labor all before lunchtime. Hands down, ang sarap ng lunch namin today. Isa talaga sa favorites ko ang tortang talong. I had my afternoon nap tapos nagmerienda na ako ng cheese and peanut butter sandwich. Surprisingly, ang sarap ng combination na to. To prep with postpartum life, nag-type na ako ng recipes for breakfast and snack na gagawin ko ahead of time. Tapos, pwede rin ulit gawin ni Genesis since nandito na naman yung ingredients and instructions. Ginawa ko to while watching Hero sa Netflix. Ang cool pala ng series na to kahit medyo gory siya. Then we had dinner. Buti na lang may natira pang kalahating tortang talong for me. See you tomorrow!